In the world of digital imagery, mastering color correction is a crucial skill. And Adobe Photoshop stands as a powerful ally in this endeavor. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a digital art enthusiast, the ability to enhance and balance colors can elevate your visuals to new heights. Let's delve into the essential steps for effective color correction in Photoshop. 1. Open your image, launch Photoshop, and open the image you want to correct. 2. Duplicate the layer. Before making any adjustments, duplicate your background layer. This safeguards your original image. 3. Levels adjustment. Navigate to Image Adjustments Levels. Adjust the black, white, and mid-tone sliders to improve overall contrast and brightness. For hue saturation tweaks, visit Image Adjustments Hue Saturation. Modify saturation to control the intensity of colors. Adjust individual color channels if needed. 5. Color Balance Enhancement. Choose Image Adjustments Color Balance. Tweak the sliders for shadows, midtones, and highlights to correct any color cast. 6. Curves for precision. Go to Image Adjustments Curves. Fine-tune the curve to control brightness and contrast with greater precision. 7. Spot Corrections with Brush Tool. Select the brush tool and set the foreground color to black or white. Paint over specific areas to darken or lighten, addressing localized color issues. 8. Before and after comparison, regularly toggle the visibility of the duplicate layer to compare changes. This ensures you're moving in the right direction. 9. Save your work. Once satisfied, save your corrected image using File Save As. Remember, color correction is both an art and a science. Experiment with these tools and techniques, refining your skills to breathe life into your visuals. Happy editing!